Ano oras?
8 na.
8 na. Ayun, namay na naman.
Kasi po, meron po doon bawang sa kagulan. Hindi ko namin alam kung ano yun. Pero sobrang may talaga kaya po ako umalis. Pag-uusapan natin.
Good morning, students!
Good morning, ma'am.
So, bago tayo mag-start ng lesson, may nakalapit sa akin ang concern about kasi mukhang ilaw na matanong ko lang, ano ba yun?
Ma'am, pinakain ko po kasi yung pinag-iisitan ko nila, which is durian po. Maamoy lang po ito pero masarap po siya.
Students, durian lang to. Isa to sa prutas na pinagmamalaki ng mga Tabawenos. Alam niyo ba kung sinandalo ng prutas na durian? So, bago tayo mag-lesson, gusto kong i-kwento sa inyo ang pinagmulan ng durian. In a place somewhere in Mindanao, there once an old woman named Alderine.
Long ago, at the foot of a mountain in Mindanao, lived Old Doreen, a widow who spent her days alone. The villagers rarely approached her, often using her name to scare their children into behaving. She was a mystery to all, living solitude after losing her family. One day, a strange stinky smell wafted throughout the village. Curiosity got the better of the people, and they traced the smell back to Old Doring's house. What they found really astonished them: a peculiar tree growing in her yard, laden with thorny fruits. Despite its growing smell, the fruit's taste was unlike anything they'd ever had. It's rich, creamy, and really delicious. The villagers named the fruit durian after Old Doreen, whose solitude gave rise to an extraordinary legacy, reminding us that what sets us apart can always unite us.